Welcome to the Shipping Hackathon 2019. My name is Dhaval Sarvate, and our hackathon idea is centralized locker platform. There are four members on my team: Jyoti Gupta, myself, Bikramdeep Singh, and Naveen Srivastav. The need. So, the centralized locker platform idea arises from the need that we have. Pitney Bowes has the locker integration with SSTO project, which is a receiving app, and this is current integrations are one-off with each locker vendor. So, for example, we have a tightly coupled integration with American Lockers, and we have one with the Luxor One, and the integration is still going on. The problem with that is it requires financing each integration project, and there is one integration guy required from the locker vendor side and the team from the app side, and it requires huge engineering effort on both the parts, and the time to go to market is also slow. At the same time, other Centec products cannot use those locker services, so it limits the ROI on investment to only SSTO clients. So what is the solution? So solution is building centralized locker platform. Basically, this platform will become Uber of locker services. A centralized locker platform that allows simple integration with locker vendors and sending products/services. So on the bank side, different kinds of locker vendors can register on our platform, and different applications like e-commerce, SendPro Online, other SendTech products, as well as the receiving Sesstio app can seamlessly integrate with the platform and use centralized locker services. So what are the benefits? The benefits of using centralized locker services are: we can reduce failed deliveries. A carrier can anytime, any hour deliver the package. Centec products can use centralized locker services. There is no need to separately integrate with each locker bank. You can query and assign lockers to parcels, receive locker events from the centralized locker platform, and you can also notify recipients through email, SMS with the locker pin. And there could be many other benefits as well which are not perceived at this moment. So let's now jump to the demo. So assuming this is the simple interface for login for vendors. So assuming I am the American Lockers and I am logging in to the central bank locker centralized locker platform, and I am registering myself. So here the American Lockers is registering itself on the centralized locker platform. So you can give the address. So the locker vendor address could be its headquarters or anything else, and there could be more fields on this form depending on the business requirement. So for the sake of simplicity, we are keeping it simple. Once the locker vendor registration is successful, the locker vendor can go ahead and add its locker bank locations. So the locker bank has to have a name. So now the locker bank name is Anthony Gavin Corp. Every locker bank has a location, country, address, city. So I'm just telling the platform what are the total number of lockers, and this is one time activity. Telling the dimension, the dimension of each size. Okay, and once the locker bank is added successfully, now this locker bank's services are available on the central bank platform. Now, now how can a Centro online product can use centralized locker platform services to assign or reserve lockers? So assuming I am a Centro customer and I'm logging into my account, and on the screen I provide the recipient details to generate the shipping label. So assuming this is a USPS label I want to generate, and I'm giving recipient details. Now I need to select the package type, which is box, and I need to tell Centro the size of the box and the weight. The shipping date is today, and I need to choose my mail service. So in case of priority mail, it's a 1 day delivery, and in case of parcel select ground, it's a 2 day delivery. So on the basis of this information, the locker assignment date will change. So in case of 1 day, my locker will be assigned for October 2. And when I click on lockers, this system will make a backend API call to our centralized locker platform. It will be an API call which will, with the help of the information provided on this form, will reserve a locker in advance for this package. And the tentative date for this package to arrive would be October 2. So let me just click on lockers and see if the API is able to assign the locker for this package in advance. So here I go. I get the four given locker bank unit assigned, and then when I print the label, the locker bank information will be printed on the label. So at the bottom you can see this, the locker bank assignment. The assigned locker bank has been printed on the label, and carrier can use this label, use information on this label to deliver this package directly in the locker bank. Now, how the carrier will access the locker bank is out of scope of this hack and requires further study into the subject. But for sure, if we are able to achieve this, we will be able to reduce the first time failures of SendPro to a great extent. Now, coming back to the PPT, so we still have future expansion plans. So current situation in Brittany Bose is we have an app called SSTO, which stands for Sensor Tracking Online, which is tightly coupled integration with American Lockers and Luxure One. So we want to shift left, and our current hackathon idea is to be for Centec products should be able to access locker services through the centralized locker platform, and in future we will extend this functionality to number of e-commerce applications. And also PB Analytics services can use locker bank usage information to tell their clients how the lockers are being used, number of advanced reservations, or number of times the service denied due to max capacity, so that the customers or clients can plan locker installations, or moving the locker locations from one place to another in case of low usage, etc. So this is all for the demo as part of this hackathon. Thank you again, and thank you from my team as well. And as part of appendix, the solution, I would like to say, the locker platform will integrate with multiple locker vendors. The locker vendors can register new locker bank locations to the platform. The locker vendors can synchronize their locker bank events with the platform. An app can easily integrate with the locker platform and use locker services. Shipping or e-commerce app can find out whether lockers are available at the given address using services of the locker platform. And shipping app can reserve lockers in advance for packages that will be shipped out. E-commerce app or shipping app can receive status of packages when the packages are in locker. Shipping or e-commerce can notify recipients with the locker pin or authorize the platform to notify the recipients with the locker pin. So these are some more benefits discussed over here, and which are the potential clients could be e-commerce apps, SendPro Online or other SendTech apps, any third-party shipping application, or any receiving application. Thank you.